How does rotor refurbishment compare to full rotor replacement?
Rotor replacement is not always necessary. The choice between rotor replacement and condition-based life extension is a choice that depends on different factors. For example, the downtime in the outage is very important. Some customer has a very long downtime, so they can wait the condition-based life extension scope. Others have a very tight schedule, so they need a rotor to be replaced in a very fast time. So in that case, probably the replacement of the rotor is the good choice. Another important factor to be taken in consideration is the spare rotor availability. Especially in the oil and gas sector, oil and gas customer own some strategic stock. In that case, probably we can support with the condition-based life extension of existing rotor rather than supply a new rotor to the customer. Number of rotor involved is also another important factor. There are customers that own different units. In some cases, their units are reaching the end of the life in the same time. So we need to provide a solution that is fitting with their current plant. In that case, typically we provide our rotors firstly, and then we extend the life of the existing one to be installed in the other units. The rotor design is another important factor to be taken in consideration. Sometimes we are talking about rotors that are very old, so they suffer some criticality. In that case, our decision and our recommendation should be to perform a lifetime extension, including also the replacement of some critical components. Another important factor is the environmental impact. There are customers that tend to reduce their environmental impact. We are reducing the environmental impact by choosing the lifetime extension with respect to new rotor. We don't push one solution over another. We try to listen to the customer and we recommend what is, according to us, the most convenient solution for them.